Hello, this is Kareen from Shakes Bakes, and right now we're going to talk about how to pickle hot chili peppers. First thing we need is a jar, a saucepan, and a spoon. Our ingredients are going to be 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, half of a big onion, 9 Scotch bonnet peppers that are diced, 1/3 of a red bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno pepper. In addition to that, we need 3 cloves of garlic. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to add our ingredients into the saucepan. Make sure you get all your ingredients in your pot. And we're just going to mix this up and take it over to our stove top. I'm going to boil this on medium heat for 5 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to turn on my flame to medium. And I'm going to let it sit, come to a boil, and let it continue to boil for 5 minutes. So now that our mixture has been boiling for 5 minutes, I'm going to turn off my heat, transfer everything over to my jar. I'm just going to ladle my onions and peppers into my jar. Be careful, this mixture is very hot. I'll add the liquid at the end after I get all of the other ingredients in. Just like this. And if for some reason all of your mixture doesn't fit into your container, just use some of it for whatever you're eating. Here we go. Almost. Perfect. I'm Kareen from Shakes Bakes, and this is how you pickle hot chili peppers.